Welcome back to United Tradesman Academy. All right, guys, so we got an early emergency call. Lady does not have power. She said she's already called her power distribution company. You know, here it's called Encore. She's already contacted them. They say there's not a problem with the meter. So anything on the load side of the meter, it's what we as electricians, electrical contractors, this is what we deal with. Anything on the line side of the meter is back on the power distribution side of the company. So we don't touch anything on that line side. Anything on the load side of that meter, that's what we as electricians are in charge of. All right, guys, so let's see what the issue is here. All right, guys, let's test for voltage real quick. See if we got voltage on the load side right here. 120, 120, 240. All right, so let's go over here. That thing came right out of there, huh? This is an old panel right here. So damn. Okay, so let's see what we got. On the line side of the breaker, we got 120. We got 120. 240. So let's go down here on the load side. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Now let's check this breaker out. You can't even reset that breaker. So I'm gonna have to replace that main breaker. Now I went and bought another main breaker. So see how you can reset that easily? You can't even do that on that one. So let's get this thing changed out. So first thing we need to do, we need to take this meter out of here. Okay. Let's double check for power real quick. It's about to rain here, so still got power. So let's break that connection. Okay, no power now. No power. No power. Okay, good to go on that. So now, let me grab my ladder because I cannot reach that. Trying to do this before it rains here. It was kind of sprinkling on my way over here, so now we got to get the sockets for this right here. That's it right there. All right. Get the other breaker. Put this one back in. Okay, just like that. All right, guys, this rain is coming, so I gotta go. Still not long enough. Golly. It's a little short, so I may have to just try this with my hand here. Cause all right, got that one. Let's get the other one on here now. Ah, man. All right, we got it. Got it. Okay. All right, so now let's reland those line wires up here. Oh, you know what? Let me put these on first. All right, so that's not going in for some reason. Hello? Yes, how can I help you? Yeah, can you send me a text message with your telephone number? And I can give you a call back shortly. I'm trying to finish up one panel right now. All right, so we're gonna torque these down to 200 inch-pounds. Hey guys, so it's raining, so I can't show the part where I torqued them both down, but we're gonna go ahead and put this meter back in. Okay. All right, let's put this cover back on here. Okay. Now, yeah, that's on right there. So, all right, so now let's put the cover back on. We'll turn the power back on and we'll be good to go. All right, so, okay. Now let's check it. Let's see what we got here. On the low side, 120, 120, 240. All right. All right, guys, so I had to be like Superman, had to change clothes real quick because I got rained on finishing up that emergency call. So guys, look, go ahead and comment, go ahead and like, say what's up. We'll see y'all next time back at United Tradesman Academy.